You do something funny, man?
This is some legit bicycle work.
Try and stay right here so I can see you. I don't want to get up. Next, going around the bend. First lap. Yeah, first lap. Zoom it, dude, zoom it. You suck. Zoom it, man.
You want me back?
No.
Come on.
I've been so gay.
I know, but just do it.
Alright, whatever. No, dude, I'm gonna ride it the right way.
Alright, you get on.
No, nigga, I'll ride it backwards.
Alright, just sit. You ready?
Go. Oh fuck, dude, wait. Oh shit, oh my god, dude. This is sick as fuck. Oh shit. Dude, we better not fall. Dude, this is so sick.
We need to buy one of these. We should buy one.
Oh.
More places.
Yeah, dude, whatever.
They're like 150, 160 bucks.
You wanna buy it? You can.
If I buy it, would you ride it with me?
And you spray paint it? Yeah.
Okay, we'll spray paint it brown.
No, black.
Blue.
Black.
Alright, black.
Fuck, dude, it's like I'm seeing shit. Right. Let's go.